Nexford University is launching something new, built specifically for the AI economy. Companies have the AI. Nobody knows how to use it. That gap needs a person. That person is called the AI Translator. You'll write Python and SQL, clean data, build queries, automate what slows the business down, build predictive models, forecast outcomes, solve real business problems with data, deploy on AWS, real AI workloads, not a simulation. And you'll learn AI strategy and ethics, how to govern it, communicate it, make the room trust your call. Graduate ready for roles like AI Business Analyst, Data Analyst, Automation Specialist, AI Product Coordinator. 97% of Nexford alumni are employed or advancing in their careers. 100% online, pay per course, start the first of any month, DEAC accredited. Become the AI Translator. Apply at nexford.edu. Nexford University, built for the AI economy.